Hello students, we are going to balance this redox equation, right? So P4 plus OH minus gives pH3 plus H2PO2 minus. This is the equation. So in the earlier case, the left hand side also there is a species containing chromium, the right hand side chromium. So we have divided the equation into two half. Okay, similarly in the left hand side sulfur, right hand side sulfur. So we have divided this equation like this. But this case, except oxygen, hydrogen, we have only phosphorus. That phosphorus is converted to pH3. So your equation division will be phosphorus to pH3. Another equation is P4 into the same P4 into H2PO2 minus. Actually this reaction is an example for disproportionation. Here phosphorus has undergone oxidation as well as reduction. So here phosphorus oxidation number if you calculate you will get +1. Here if you calculate you will get -3. So here it is in the elemental form 0. So phosphorus has undergone oxidation as well as reduction. Oxidation as well as reduction. So it's an example for disproportionation. So now we will balance. So first step, except hydrogen, oxygen, remaining element we have to balance. Here 4 phosphorus, here 1. So you will introduce 4 here. Here 4, here 1. So here you will introduce 4. Next step, oxygen has to be balanced by introducing water. But in the first equation there is no oxygen. But in the second equation we have 4 2s are 8 oxygens are there. So in the reactant side no oxygens, so you will introduce 8 water. Okay. Next step, balance hydrogen by introducing H plus ion. In the first equation 4 3s are 12 hydrogens are there. So left hand side you will introduce 12 H plus ion. Similarly in the second equation 4 2s are 8 hydrogens and left hand side 16. So here only shortage is there. So 8 hydrogens, here 16. Therefore here 8 hydrogens H plus. So hydrogen is balanced by introducing H plus ion, whereas oxygen is balanced by introducing water. So we have introduced H plus ion to balance hydrogen. Now charges are to be balanced by introducing electrons. So we will calculate in the first equation plus 12. 12 into plus 1 plus 12 charge. Right hand side no charge. So 0 charge. So to balance charges you introduce 12 electrons. So plus 12, this is minus 12. Overall charge 0. 12 into minus 1 0. But in the second equation minus 8. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 4. Here 8 into plus 1 plus 8. So overall charges plus 4. The left hand side no charges, reactant side no charges, product side plus 4. So to make it 0, introduce 4 electrons in the product side. So already plus 4 is there. So plus 4 here, plus into minus 4. Minus 4 overall charge 0. Now you compare both the equations. Next step is you have to sum up. Before summing up, the number of electrons should be equal in both the reactions so that they will get cancelled. So here 12 electrons are there in the first equation. Second equation only 4 electrons are there. So to make it equal, second equation entire thing has to be multiplied by should be multiplied by 3. So what do you get? You will get 24 H2O plus 3 we are multiplying, right? So 3P4 gives 12 H2PO2 minus plus 24 H plus 12 electrons. Okay, now you can sum up equation 1 and 3. This one and this one. Okay, and then so now we don't want this one. This we have multiplied by 3 to get this one. So now we can cancel out. Left hand side reactant side 12 electrons, product side 12 electrons. Similarly anything else, H plus ion 24 are there, here 12 are there, you can cancel out. So remaining 12 H plus ions will be there. Now we can sum up. So what and all remaining is there, here P4, here also P4. So totally here 1 P4, here 3. So totally 4 P4 plus water is there. 24 H2O gives product side 12 H2PO2 minus and 12 H plus are there. 12 H plus are there. Now you see In the overall reaction we have OH minus ion. But here when you after balancing you see there are no OH minus ions. But we have H plus. So what can be done now is we have to introduce OH minus. How many OH minus has to be introduced? You see in the right hand side 12 H plus are there. So both the sides will introduce 12 OH minus, right? So that 12 OH minus when I introduce, so reactant side 12 OH minus, similarly product side 12 OH minus. So both 12 H plus and 12 OH minus will combine together to form 12 water molecule. Okay, water molecules. Now you see right hand side 12 water molecules are there. You don't have this now, right? So left hand side 24 H2O. So you can cancel out. So here remaining 12 H2O you will have. So now the overall equation is 4P4 plus 12 H2O gives 12 H2PO2 minus then how many? Yes, this is what you will get overall equation. And we have pH3 also. Phosphine we have left out here itself. So 4 pH3. That also will be there. 4 pH3 will be there. Now we can count the number of atoms. Left hand side 4 4 4s are 16 phosphorus. Right hand side 12 phosphorus.